Hello children. So welcome back to your conversation classes. Today we will study 7th chapter of your conversation, that is shopping. Okay, we all love shopping, right? We all love to do shopping, to buy new things, buy clothes, buy shoes and different kind of things. So let's study about shopping. I want to go to shopping today. What? So next person is asking, what will you buy? So the first person is replying, I haven't decided. Maybe I'll buy myself a dress or a purse and buy a pair of fancy shoes for my brother. Is there any special occasion? Occasion means is there any special days coming, like birthday or something like that? Yes, it's my cousin's wedding next week. So the special occasion is of wedding and the person wants to gift something to his or her cousin. Oh, then you should buy something gorgeous for yourself. So the person is actually buying for herself or himself. So friend or whoever be is there, it's saying that you must buy something gorgeous, something beautiful for yourself so that you can wear it in the wedding. Yes, I'll look for something beautiful. Okay, let's go. Do you have to buy something? Not really. Let's see. If I come across something trendy, I'll buy it. Trendy means which is in fashion. Fine, let's move. It will be good if we take a shopping bag. So you should always carry a shopping bag when you go to market, because especially nowadays they don't give you polythene bags, and also you should always carry a bag with you so you can just buy things and you can keep it in your bag. Oh, thanks for reminding me. A shopping bag is a must nowadays. So they reach at the shop, and what happens at the shop? Let's see. At the shop, shopkeeper says, yes madam, how can I help you? Then the customer, she replies, show me some good party wear dresses, because she wants to attend her cousin's wedding, so she wants beautiful party dresses to wear. Shopkeeper, sure, please come to the next counter. We have a wide variety of them. Any particular color, ma'am? So the shopkeeper says that yes, we have got a different range of party wears, and if you have any special choice like color and all, so you can tell. So we can show dresses of the same color. Then she replies, well, show me light colors. So she likes light colors, so she asks the shopkeeper to show dresses which are of light colors. Here are some frilly skirts in light colors. All are ideal party wears. Yes, this one looks good. How much does it cost? So finally she likes one of the dresses and she asks the price. It is for 300 rupees. Okay, now show me some tops to go with this skirt. Now she has purchased a skirt, frill skirt, and now she wants a top that will go with this skirt. Of course, madam. Please come this way. Here are all the latest designs and colors. You may choose any one from them. So the shopkeeper shows a different variety of tops and asks the customer to choose any one which she likes. The white top with silver shades will go perfectly with this skirt. How much does this top cost? Madam, it is for 150 rupees. So she likes one of the tops and she asks the price. Pack this. Now I want a nice salwar suit. So after buying skirt and top, now next what she wants a salwar suit. For salwar suits, lehengas and saris, you will have to go to the basement. So they have different sections. Nowadays the shops have different sections. They have traditional wear on one side and party casual wear on one side, western wear on one side, traditional. So the shopkeeper asks her to go on the other side of the shop, that is in the basement. So in the basement she goes, and what happens there? Salesman, madam, what can I do for you? Customer, she says, I'd like to see some salwar suits. It should be ideal for a wedding party, means it should be perfect for a wedding party. May I know your budget, madam? And because you know party wears are a little bit costly, so it is nice to ask for the budget so they can show the dresses within the range, within their budget. Well, show me suit costing around 2000 rupees. Here are some gorgeous salwar suits. They are in the latest designs and colors. What material is this? This is fine silk. This sequin work is handwork. This suit is very beautiful. So the shopkeeper shows a silk salwar kameez and with a sequin work on it. Yes, it's nice. So she also likes it. The color combination is good. How much does it cost? And she asked the price. Madam, the price is 2000 rupees. Means it is in her budget. Is there any discount? It's always good to ask for discount when you go to shop. You never know if you get one. No, madam, the prices are fixed. Fine, you can pack this. Please guide to the cash counter. So when she finds out there is no discount, then she's okay, you pack this and you tell me where can I pay for it. So this is the shopping, and I know you all go for shopping and you all buy things. So you should follow these things when you go for shopping. There are 2 questions also, children. So anywhere where you have got space, you can write in the book itself. First question is, why do you go for shopping? Okay. Answer is, because I have to buy new dresses and other things. I repeat, why do you go for shopping? Answer is, because I have to buy new dresses and other things. Question number 2. What should you take along while going for shopping? Answer is, I should take or I will take shopping bag. Okay. Question is, what should you take along while going for shopping? Answer is, I will take shopping bag. So these 2 questions are there. You can write in the space you get in the chapter. Thank you.